Tackle a variety of cutting projects with this Cobalt Compact Sliding Miter Saw. The ball-bearing motor delivers extended power, durability, and more accurate cuts. The adjustable front-mounted laser guide system projects a pre-cutting line to help you perform precise cuts. And the bevel, miter, and compound cutting options with positive stops for the most used angles make it easy to power through dimensional lumber and molding for even more versatility. The large die-cast aluminum base and table offer increased work support during setup and cutting. And the dual slide rail system with linear bearings means smooth and accurate operation. Plus, the lightweight design allows for easy transport. Cut with confidence with the Cobalt Compact Sliding Miter Saw.